Season's greetings. I'm Nisha from Jamaica Liquor Warehouse, and this is 5 Cocktails of Christmas. Cheers! Apple cider mimosas are perfectly paired with our baked brie, cranberry jam, and pecan-topped crostinis. A Jamaican flavor original, ginger sorrel mojitos. Try this with our passion fruit rum wings. Gentlemen, we've got something special just for you. Try our Johnny Walker Ginger, Johnny Walker Black with ginger beer, perfectly paired with our rosemary salmon. Try a spin on our traditional daiquiri and pina coladas with our sorrel daiquiri and our soursop pina coladas.